Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera dan selamat datang di Maybank Syariah Indonesia. If we were to reflect the past 15 odd years of existence in Indonesia, firstly as PT Bank Maybank Indocorp since September 1995, and lately since October 2010 as PT Maybank Syariah Indonesia, one common theme would arise to describe our business environment, and that is Indonesia is a very challenging environment. For example, Maybank's Indonesia was not spared from the contagion effect of the 1997 and 2008 financial and credit crisis, respectively, and the devastation of December 2004 tsunami on the Indonesian economy and the various terrorist bombing that had impacted its economy. Indonesia faced and is still facing more than frequent tremors, earthquake, and recently, Mount Merapi volcanic eruption and Mentawai tsunami. Despite these major challenges, Maybankers in Indonesia has learned and endured all these episodes. How did they achieve this? They brought with them a spirit of relentless teamwork and undying self-determinism to succeed. Over the past 6 years as President Director of PT Bank Maybank Indocorp and now PT Maybank Syariah Indonesia, I see the gaining in strength of this special spirit. The self-determinism to succeed has become even stronger under PT Maybank Syariah Indonesia. As such, we at MSI and with the integration into BII and continued support from Maybank Group, complemented with humanizing processes and people, we will be Maybank's conduit and significant contributor to Syariah assets and income, and to help Maybank to become the regional financial services leader by 2015. That is our pledge, that is our promise. Inshallah, with the guidance and our dedication, we shall prevail. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.
PT Bank Maybank Indocorp was today officially renamed as PT Bank Maybank Syariah Indonesia, having converted to a full-fledged Islamic bank in Indonesia in September 2010. In year 2008, Maybank Group acquisition of PT Bank International Indonesia (TBK) or BII has marked the expansion of Maybank Group's participation in the Indonesian financial and banking industry. For the last 2 years, the Sharia banking business has grown rapidly in Indonesia, and Maybank Group responded to this progress through the conversion of Bank Maybank Indocorp to become an Islamic bank, PT Bank Maybank Syariah Indonesia. Maybank Syariah Indonesia would be an additional channel to serve the premier retail as well as corporate, commercial, and investment banking clients in Indonesia who require Islamic banking financial services and solutions. On September 23, 2010, Bank Indonesia extended the Sharia banking license for Maybank Syariah Indonesia, and on October 11, 2010, Maybank Syariah Indonesia commenced its first day operation as an Islamic bank in Indonesia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nadia Zuriatin, the Compliance Director of PT Bank Maybank Syariah Indonesia. Taking this opportunity, I would like to congratulate PT Bank Maybank Syariah Indonesia for its successful transformation from a conventional bank to become an Islamic bank in Indonesia. Together with all the management, employees, clients, and our partners, now we are ready to participate in the Sharia banking industry, not only in Indonesia, but also in the region. From compliance side, this conversion is certainly a great challenge for us, as from now on, we are require ourselves to enrich our knowledge and understanding on the applicable regulations and Sharia principles for Sharia banking business. As the compliance director of the bank, I would like to encourage all of our staff to respond to this challenge as a great opportunity to improve our competence to become good Sharia bankers, which is very important to safeguard the business of this bank. Once again, congratulations to PT Bank Maybank Syariah Indonesia. Thank you for all the support and hard working from all of our staff. And now on, let us start working again to be the preferred Sharia financial services provider. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
3, 2, 1. untuk hadirnya Maybank Syariah di Indonesia. Sekali lagi kita berikan tepuk tangan yang lebih meriah lagi. Dan semoga Maybank Syariah bisa menjadi bank syariah terpercaya, unggul dalam pelayanan, serta berperan aktif dalam pengembangan ekonomi umat.
The grand launching of Maybank Syariah Indonesia was held in Jakarta and officiated by Maybank Chairman Tan Sri Megat Zaharuddin, Megat Mohamad Noor, and President CEO Dato Sri Abdul Wahid Omar. Also present at the grand launching was the President Director of Maybank Syariah Indonesia, Mr. Baharudin Majid, senior government officials, as well as wide range of clients. Maybank Syariah Indonesia's vision to be the preferred Sharia financial service provider in the target markets we serve. Maybank Syariah Indonesia's mission, building enduring relationship through value creation for stakeholders. And Maybank Syariah Indonesia's aspiration for the next 5 years, undisputed number 1 in Sharia structured finance, leader in cross-border transactions.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera kepada semua teman-teman Maybank. Nama saya Dharma Kesatrio, saya salah satu direksi dari Maybank Syariah Indonesia. First of all, I would like to congratulate to everybody who participate in Maybank Transformation Open Day. We are very proud with our recent success in banking license conversions, which we have used to operate our business under conventional banking, and today we become a full-fledged Sharia banks. Today is just the beginning of our transformations. With all our hard work, support, and inshallah we are able to achieve our target to be at least number 1 in Sharia banking in Indonesia and keep our asset growth above 85% for the next 5 years. Thank you again for your all support that you have rendered to our business.
I'm Hendra Simatupang, Head of Financing and Business Development. Our financing target in 2011 is very aggressive. We aim to increase more than double our financing size up to 2.1 trillion rupiah. With strong support from our stakeholders and prudent banking process, we strongly believe we can achieve that challenging target. Thank you to all Maybank Syariah team for your kind support up to this stage.
Hi, I'm Ade, Product Specialist under Product Development. I am the latest to join this team, but definitely not the least, because I happen to discover that it is not just a team that I joined, it is a family. I'm thrilled to take part on this great journey and can't hardly wait to make a distinctive contribution to our business expansion. With the support from all Maybank Syariah teams, together we are achieving our goals.
Hi, I'm Mila from Trade Finance and Remittance. With this transformation, we are ready to help and support our client exploring more activities and provide excellent global remittance services. We with Maybank Syariah will serve you from the heart.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Eddie. I'm in charge in Treasury Dealing Room. Maybank Syariah as a newcomer has a good response from the market, especially in Sharia banking. And I believe Maybank Syariah will growing fast and become one of leader in the market. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Christian Hadis. I'm responsible to ensure that our core banking can support your business need.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Saleh Ali. I'm President Director of Tanjung Offshore Nusantara Indonesia, which is a group of company of Tanjung Offshore Berhad in Malaysia. We knew Maybank is from our parent company in Malaysia, which is supporting by Maybank Malaysia since 1990s. We hope that we also got supportive from Maybank Syariah Indonesia to work together in oil and gas business in Indonesia, and Maybank Syariah Indonesia will support PT Tanjung Offshore Nusantara to work together daily work. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya adalah Darmawan Subukti, Country Finance Manager dari PT CCM Agri Pharma yang bergerak dalam bidang fertilizer dan farmasi. Sementara itu, saya juga bertanggung jawab terhadap CCM Indonesia yang bergerak pada bidang chemical. Kita dari CCM Agri Pharma pada saat kedatangan tamu-tamu dari Maybank kemudian mengatakan bahwa akan ada konversi menjadi bank syariah. Pada saat itu tentu timbul pertanyaan dari kami, apakah produk ini akan sesuai dengan produk yang kami minta, ternyata setelah melalui penjelasan yang jelas dan gamblang yang diberikan oleh tim dari Maybank, kami bisa menangkap bahwa produk-produk yang disajikan adalah sesuai dengan kebutuhan kami. Oleh karena itu, kami segera memproses konversi tersebut menjadi produk-produk yang ada di produk syariah dari Bank Maybank Syariah. Dan kebetulan, alhamdulillah, proses ini dapat berjalan sesuai dengan waktu dan tepat waktu. Sehingga kami dapat melakukan perubahan ini dengan baik.
Thank you to all people and partners for the support during the transformation process.
We are Maybankers. We have taken our first step towards a long journey for our mission. May Allah bless us and success for PT Bank Maybank Syariah Indonesia. Maybank Syariah, your preferred Syariah financial service provider.
Maybank Syariah Indonesia, your preferred Syariah financial service provider.